Hi, I'm Lane from Anything Scout, and today we're going to be touring this 79 Scout 2. And here we are with the 1979 Scout 2, a lovely baby blue. It's just one of our standard drivability conversions. It's got things like our Workman front bumpers on it. It's got our tie rod and drag links, HD of course. We're sitting on a 33-inch Maxxis tire that the customer chose the wheels for on this one. It's Dana 44 front and rear. It's a 4.8 liter with a 6L90. It has a Dana 300 transfer case. It's a pretty standard build for us. We also go through the doors, latches, windows, regulators. Pretty much standard on every build. Make sure your key cylinders are working. Put some nice new mirrors on here and make sure they shut nice and good every single time. Now, we didn't do a lot of work on the interior of this one. As you can see, stock door panels and seats. We did do a powder coated dash and dash cover here. We have our two-way retro sound radio here, along with speakers to go with it. We go through the column, make sure everything's operating correctly. You can see we have our nice Tuffy center console, alongside of just cleaning up things like the shifter housings and stuff like that. You can see we have our beautiful underdash AC unit. And other than that, we go through anything mechanically with the switches. We make sure your heater controls and stuff like that are going to be functioning good. That's about it for in here, other than this sweet roll bar. Here we have our 4.8 liter LS, and you'll see around the engine bay we've cleaned up everything there is to clean up. It looks great. We've got a BP engine automotive harness on here for the engine. You can see they have Anything Scout battery bracket on here. US radiator. Let's see. We got PSC Steering Box down here. You can't quite see it. We've got our handmade intake right over here for the air. We go through all your heater hoses. We go through all the wiring is obviously brand new. This one has a included transmission cooler. It's an automatic. I mean, everything you see is either brand new or completely gone through. There's not going to be any need to worry about anything in the near future. It's going to make it a pretty reliable truck for the customer. All right, guys, thanks for checking out this drivability conversion with us, and we'll see you next time.